And we saw some rain showers earlier this evening. Those are now done for the rest of the night as we're looking at mostly clear skies. Temperatures getting down to 76 degrees for us through the overnight hours. Let me show you the forecast for your Monday. We're actually looking at a slight dip in our temperatures. I'm going 89 Arcadia as well as Cape Coral, 90 in Naples, though you get inland. Check out by the lake. More heavy Lewiston, 86 degrees, though you still, when you add in humidity, we're still going to be feeling like the upper 90s, right around 100 degrees, but we're starting to see those temperatures come down, and that's going to be a trend that we see much of the week. Let me time out the morning here for you, though. I think already by 5 o'clock in the morning, we're starting to see those shower storms bubbling up near our coastline, so could be a wet start, wet commute for you tomorrow morning, and then even at the bus stop, so maybe you do have that rain gear handy in the morning hours. And then we'll start to see those storms just offshore of us through much of the rest of the morning, and then you fast forward things into the afternoon. That's where we'll be watching that redevelopment further on inland, say down in Collier County, Glades Henry, and then out towards the lake as we roll in towards the 6 o'clock hour. But I think once you get that sun to go down, we lose that energy of the day and things will quiet down for us. But I still think we could see some heavier downpours, especially when you mix in the morning and the afternoon showers and storms. Some of us could localize amounts, especially Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Punta Gorda, maybe upwards of an inch or more. But what's going on here is we got a cold front draped across the state, and this is really going to kind of hang out the next couple of days, keeping our rain chances elevated, especially across all of South Florida. And then as we get in towards your Wednesday, we're going to watch for a little area of low pressure forming off the coastline, the east coastline there. And this is something we're going to be watching, possibly tropically speaking, moving away from us. We'll talk about that in a minute. But as this stays with us the next several days, we are going to keep those rain chances elevated, right around 70–80% each and every day throughout the rest of the work week, which we definitely could use the rain. Now, as that area of low pressure pulls away from us, though, towards the end of the week, we'll start to see that humidity creeping on down. It's going to cool the temperatures off, and especially noticeable at night when we see those temperatures getting down maybe the lower 70s for you. So again, that's just something we'll be watching tropically speaking, possibly down the road. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. We also have Nigel out there and this wave just coming off of Africa. So Tropical Storm Nigel is expected to become a hurricane tomorrow and then rapidly intensify up to a major hurricane Tuesday. The good news is for us, this is a fish storm, and it will continue to curve out to sea, not impacting anybody. As for the one just coming off of Africa, it's right here. So this is going to be moving into the off the Cabo Verde Islands, 50% chance development over the next 7 days. Something we'll watch, but still has a long way to go across the pond. As for the local system, again, this is from that area of low pressure watching maybe Wednesday, Thursday, forming off of, say, Miami, and then this will drift off to the north. Let me show you here. This is one of our forecast models, the GFS model. There it is forming up and then lifting off to the north. So again, away from us, maybe impacting, say, Georgia, the Carolinas, as we get in towards next weekend. So this is something we'll watch. The other thing with this, though, is it will start to pull in that drier air, so start to cool us down as we get in towards next weekend as well. So 7-day forecast. Again, each and every day we'll be tracking those showers and storms through Friday, and then you get in towards Saturday, Sunday, we'll start to see those cooler temperatures moving in.